my gosh.
Sorry, I got dead skin.
Ew! I don't know. Whoa! Ellie's back, you guys! Hallelujah! Ellie's back!
We are so excited to be sitting down and filming a video together. It's not very fun when one of us leaves town.
I know, it was like kind of quiet in the room. I was like, where's Ella?
Today we're going to be talking to you guys about why every woman should shave their face.
Oh, it's such a scary topic. Okay, we both have two different ways of doing it, and we'll just kind of explain why we do it as we go. I don't shave my face very often. Not very often at all. But I feel like in the summertime it's more crucial for me than it is the winter. And maybe not. I don't know. Let's just do this. Okay.
We have two very different ways of doing it. Bonnie will sit and kind of explain her process, then I'll explain my process.
Okay. So these are the razors that I use. And it's very important that you get them from Walmart, not from Amazon.
What?
Yes. I spent hours looking through the reviews one time, and you know how it says on Amazon like made by Tinkle razors, and so it looked really legit, but when you read the comments, everyone was like, these are knockoffs, these are not the Tinkle razors. And if you go to the Tinkle website, so you can either buy them off of like tinkle.com or Walmart. I usually am buying more than one thing, and so you don't have to pay shipping on Walmart, and so that's why I prefer Walmart over like Tinkle. So if you go to Tinkle's website, it specifically says, we do not sell on Amazon. Do not buy these on Amazon. So let me just help a sister out, because people were like, my face is getting cut. It's kind of a big deal.
It is.
And it is a little scary, but it shouldn't be.
Okay, so Bonnie's benefit to what she does is it helps improve the appearance of things like acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, and the effects of the procedure are instant in leaving your skin with a smooth appearance and radiant glow. Along with the removal of fine hairs, it results in a healthier skin that feels silkier.
And if you wear a lot of makeup, you don't see the little peach hairs laying down. And everyone wants to know, does it make your hair grow back faster? I have the same question and I have the same fear. Everything we both learned in beauty school says no. When the hair grows back, when it very first grows back, the edge is blunt. And so you can feel it a little bit, but after a few days, it feels just as soft and just as normal as it did before.
Because you are not messing with the follicle. I think there's a difference when you're like plucking and pulling hair. It can irritate the follicle where the hair will grow back possibly differently. But whereas you're just cutting or shaving it, it's good. And
I have heard the type of razor you use. If you were to take a man's razor, it changes things for some reason. There's a specific way that our tools have been designed, and on Walmart they're $7.99 for a set of 3, and I can use each razor a couple of times.
So I got into face shaving just about 6 months ago after I had my baby. My skin went through a major flip out. I felt like my skin was very dry, but also oily at the same time. It's like that first layer of my skin needed to come off. So I went to my dermatologist's office for 2 months in a row, and I got what is called Derma Planing done. And they take this surgical blade and they scratch off the first layer of your skin, and then they pack it with hydrating serums and then a nice thick lotion, and like my skin just radiates. It was amazing. But the reason why I stopped going was because I asked the technician several times to stop putting the blade in my hairline, because I just had my baby. I was having a lot of hair loss, and it kept getting deeper and deeper. And I asked her every time I went, I was like, please avoid this section, and she didn't. And we live in a very small town, and so I was like, I'm just gonna do this at home. So I ordered one on Amazon.
I didn't know that. That's like horrifying.
Yeah, I ordered this on Amazon, or you can get it at like the Derma store. It's like a professional Derma. Well, anyway, so I got this. I got this on Amazon. It came with like 5 blades. And dermaplaning is a physical exfoliation procedure. It requires the use of a sterile surgical scalpel to gently shave the skin surface, removing the topmost layer of dead skin along with fine peach fuzz. So technically these are very similar. I feel like mine is more of an advanced process.
So if you have done this many times, you feel comfortable doing this, this is like a foolproof. It has a guard on it, so you're not gonna cut yourself. Does yours have guards on it?
I believe mine does. Like, it felt much safer than like going to like the dermatologist.
Okay.
But I'll double check.
And I'm sure it's like the difference in quality of the blades, you think?
I don't know.
They look really similar.
Bonnie uses hers twice. I use mine. It says to use it once. Maybe I should use it twice. Our blade looks identical. This was $189.
Maybe next time we do this, we should swap tools and we should see if there's a difference. I was gonna say,
let me use that on one half of my face.
Okay.
You don't have to use mine because your skin is like uber sensitive.
Yeah, I wouldn't dare. And here's the thing. So we're gonna go ahead and like jump into this. I'm gonna put some facial oil on my face.
And do you put oil? I've never put oil on first. I don't think I would want to do that.
Really?
But you put it on because your skin is like extra like.
Yeah, I feel like I need to. And so this is just facial oil from Drunken Elephant. I use this on my face. I use this on my feet. I use it on my chest and on my hands. Like, I will add it into my lotion. For me, I feel like the razor glides and doesn't catch or pull. You also have nicer skin than I do, so maybe you don't need it.
We're going to go ahead and I'm going to use my tool, and then a little bit through I'm going to use Bonnie's tool on part of my face. And I feel like mine might be more like of a deeper, like exfoliating dermaplaning tool, but I could be wrong once I use this, so I'll let you know.
Okay.
I would suggest if you have a lot of acne that this is not the first step you should be taking in your skincare routine.
I was going to say the exact same thing.
When I was in high school, I had severe acne, and I was, of course, you know, you're in high school, you don't have a lot of money at the time, and I was really focused on a moisturizer and a face wash. It's like those only 2 things. There are many other things that you can put on your skin that helps, whether it's retinol that helps exfoliate your skin. There's like vitamin C serum that you can put on your skin that can brighten the appearance of your face. So there's a lot of other things you can add into your skincare. So if you do have a lot of acne, I don't feel like this is the first step you should be taking for your skin. Let's get in.
Okay.
Get started.
Okay. I'm going to scoot this forward.
I push my little button, and it and maybe that's the benefit of mine, like, it's like kind of rotating and helping.
I stay away from my hairline. I know you do too. And it is more natural to have, like, you don't want to go up into your sideburn area too much. So I just come like here.
And I usually pull my face kind of taut.
Just hold your skin, and oh, it's like loud. You can hear it. Oh, can I show them what I have so far? Oh. Show yours. You don't have as much. Oh my gosh.
Disgusto.
I know. Let's make a pile.
Ew.
Oh my god.
I do want to say it's important to not go over it multiple times.
Yeah.
When I went to the professional, she would go over it twice. So that's usually what I do. Oh my, Bonnie, you have a lot more than I do.
Oh my
And your skin looks smoother than mine.
This is insane. Are you so grossed out by this?
He's like, why the hell?
A little bit.
Oh my word. Okay, let me tell you why I started doing this. I went to a photo shoot and they didn't smooth out our face. And all I could see in the picture was the hair on my face. And I'm even going to come up here because this is where my highlighter goes.
And I even take my nose and I like...
See, and
that's where my skin gets
I'm not going to do that.
Oh, I have to. That's where the makeup builds up. You're not going to cut yourself. There's a card.
I don't think I'm going to do that.
Look right here. Right here.
Woo! Look at Ellie. Okay, we'll do our lip. Are you doing your lip?
And I get a lot of blackheads on my lip. I feel like this helps not get blackheads on my lip line. I feel like I'm all over the place.
Do you think Mom is gonna watch this and be like, "What are you girls doing?" Maybe.
She's come a long way.
Okay, so like I said before, I only do this, probably the last time I did it was 6 months ago. You don't have to, this is not something that you have to upkeep on. Because if you let your stuff grow back, it isn't a big deal because it grows back just how it was. If you have a super hairy face, you may want to upkeep on it. But like apparently I have a super hairy face and you don't notice it. You never notice that on me. Oh, Ellie's like doing it more intensely than I am. I can't do it as much as you are.
I have to do it. Like this, ew, this is disgusting.
You should show them the dry skin that's coming off. So Ellie has more dry skin. I have more hair.
I have to do it for my lip line and my nose, like the creases. Like I don't do it for the hair purposes. I do it for the skincare purposes.
Okay.
So like I really need to really get in and get that.
Well, I like that we're doing it. Like I like that we have different reasons for doing it. I like that we can show the different reasons for doing it.
Don't do your eyebrow. Don't do your eyebrow. You'll cut your eyebrow off.
And I'm not physically holding my skin with my hand, but I feel like I have very good control of my...
Okay, are we going to switch? I'm going to try Bonnie's little tool.
Yeah. Oh, we are moving on. Okay.
Wow.
What do you think? What are you saying wow to? The sound?
No, I feel...
Oh my gosh.
A lot more. Wow.
So mine works better.
Holy shiz.
So mine works better, do you think?
I'm a little pissed I paid so much for this. In my head, when I buy stuff for my skin, I want to buy the best. This is pretty amazing. This kind of gets in the way. Like this tool right here, this top part, like I feel like I can't, that was cool.
Like it's bulky.
Oh my.
So tell me how it feels on your skin.
It feels like I'm doing a better job. Wowzers. Every time I go through, there's so much hair and dead skin.
And it feels just so good.
Oh, fuck.
That's so bad. Some people don't do their forehead. What I feel like I need, I'm not going to go up into my hairline or anything up here, but I am going to come above my eyebrow and come down to it. I don't wax my eyebrows, and so this cleans the skin up right up to my eyebrow. And I got Don't blow, you're gonna blow my hair pile away. Yeah, you just like get in there. I cannot do that. I have to be, I'm a little more conservative, I guess. But Ellie's makeup also looks better than mine, so.
No.
Pick your poison.
I do my forehead.
You do.
Oh, see, what the hell? Why did I just do that? I just took a little hair off.
Oh,
I was too excited.
Oh my goodness. See, you're so fast around your eyebrows. Oh, I'd be so scared. She just goes at it. You're an animal.
That's what Jared says.
I'm going to go just, like, I'm not applying, I don't think, as much pressure.
Wow. Wowzers.
See, now I'm to the point where it's just more dry skin than it is hair. For me, the hairiest part was right here. And when you see me, you don't see that hair, right?
No.
But when we take photos for me it's photos, and then it's just the way our makeup looks up close.
Sorry, I got dead skin in my throat.
Ew!
Okay, I think I'm good.
Well, I think I'm good too. I just
think
noticed.
It's important to do this part of your face. We're so similar. When you wash your face,
when
you wash your face, oftentimes they say you should wash your neck. I never do. I just like wash my face and I'm done.
I always wash my neck.
So I feel like I get a lot of buildup right here that would be good.
Yeah. This is so bizarre.
I will have to admit, I think I like this one much better. I think I like this one much better because of the handle and it's easier to use. That's just...
What if I just blew that right
I'd be
at
so
you?
pissed. I'll put it in the garbage pile. I'll put it in the garbage. When we started this video, I was not planning on doing a review between both of them or a side by side. It just kind of happened.
It was kind of like, you do your thing, I'll do my thing.
The blade is very similar.
Hers is bigger.
Mine is bigger.
But that doesn't mean better.
I felt like I could use this more on my face, and this is sometimes harder to like because it's like this big
maneuver.
I'm really sad to say that I think I like these better. I'll still use this because I have it, but when it runs out, I probably won't order new blades. I may just order these.
Yeah.
Yeah, your skin just feels so much better when you give it a few days. Like when I went to the dermatologist, she's like, you know, the first 2 days, you know, you may be a little more red. Try not to put a lot of force on it when you do it at home. But here in even 3 weeks, I'll notice an improvement in my skin. Like it's like a good 2 weeks after I notice that my skin's more glowy, just because you've removed all of that and you're allowing your products to really sink into your skin.
So now that our faces are all the way shaven, our pores are open, what are you going to do in yours?
I think it's important to not just put a moisturizer on your skin, like Bonnie said, to do some sort of serum. I'm going to be adding in a really rejuvenating serum in my on my face before my lotion. So make sure to take the extra steps at home to really take care of your skin. And that is us shaving.
Thank you guys so much for watching. It was good to have you back.
Thanks.
If you guys haven't checked out our clothing line, bolliebrand.com, it will be in the description along with all of our other socials. You can follow us there, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.